Candide, written by Voltaire, is a satirical novel that was first published in 1759. The story follows the adventures of the young man Candide, who is taught by his mentor, Pangloss, that this is the best of all possible worlds. Despite the many trials and tribulations that Candide faces throughout the novel, he never gives up hope that he will find happiness and fulfillment in life. The novel begins in the country of Westphalia, where Candide lives in the castle of Baron Thundertentronckh. Candide is in love with the Baron's daughter, Cunegonde, and Pangloss, the castle's resident philosopher, teaches him that everything in the world is for the best, and that all is as it should be. However, Candide's peaceful existence is shattered when he is caught kissing Cunegonde and is kicked out of the castle. He is then forced to endure a series of unfortunate events, including being flogged in the army, being shipwrecked, and losing all of his wealth. Throughout the novel, Candide encounters a variety of characters, each of whom has a different view on life. These characters include the pessimistic Martin, the kind-hearted Cacambo, and the wealthy merchant Vanderdender. Despite the various misfortunes that Candide experiences, he never gives up hope that he will find happiness and fulfillment. This is best illustrated when he says, "We must cultivate our garden" at the end of the novel. This statement suggests that happiness is not something that can be found outside of oneself, but rather it is something that must be cultivated from within. One of the central themes of the novel is the idea of optimism versus pessimism. Candide is optimistic throughout the novel, believing that everything happens for the best, while Martin is a pessimist who believes that life is inherently miserable. Another theme of the novel is the idea of religious hypocrisy. Throughout the novel, Voltaire satirizes various aspects of religion, including the Inquisition, the Jesuits, and the Protestant Reformation. Candide himself is often portrayed as being naive and gullible when it comes to religion, as he continues to believe in the idea of the best of all possible worlds despite the many hardships he experiences. Voltaire also uses the novel to criticize various aspects of society, including the military, politics, and education. In particular, the character of Pangloss is used to satirize the optimistic philosophy of Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, who argued that this is the best of all possible worlds. Despite the various criticisms that Voltaire makes throughout the novel, Candide remains a hopeful and optimistic character. He is able to find happiness and fulfillment despite the many hardships he faces, suggesting that it is possible to live a good life even in the face of adversity. Overall, Candide is a powerful and thought-provoking novel that continues to be relevant today. Its themes of optimism versus pessimism, religious hypocrisy, and societal criticism continue to resonate with readers, making it a timeless classic of world literature. We hope you are enjoying the content on the library channel. Our team is dedicated to bringing you the best book summary, recommendations, and literary discussions on YouTube. If you are finding our content helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us grow and continue to provide you with more great content in the future. Thank you for your support and happy reading.